This is a video of the ROCKROOSTER boots. They are on sale. The shoe's good. The arch, I guess it's a little high, probably because they're new. Never been worn. These have never been worn outside because I don't think I'm gonna keep them. A few cosmetic things. This, where the black is, this black should have wrapped around, or it's continuously, so you don't see where there's two different materials. Because this doesn't look good. It looks kind of like it's cheap craftsmanship, which everything's like that today, but as expensive as these shoes are, I would definitely them black. I do like the easy zipper in and out thing here. I'll show you. It's easy to take on. I guess, of course, they're partway on, but then you're just going to slide them back on and zip this up. Like this. You're in and you don't have to tie the laces. That's cool. The laces, on the other hand, way too long. They could be much shorter. This looks too trashy. Not cool. Let's let me take this off, and I'll show you what I'm talking about on the inside here. There's something on the bed, but you can see how this is a different mesh in here. It's like a, I don't know how you say, like wavy. Not, oh, it's actually smooth fabric, but you know, it's kind of a zigzag pattern type mesh. They should have took this black here and wrapped it all the way around on the inside and then continue with their mesh. That's how that should have been done, because like I said, it just, I mean, I'm sorry, that's just not, it doesn't look good. It looks crap, it looks trashy. You know, I'm not here to trash the boot, but it does look kind of trashy. So, overall, the small stuff, the shoe does look pretty nice. I mean, it is a very nice shoe. So, it's got good traction, very shallow grips, so you don't get mud all over the house. They are soft toe, not hard. Let's see, push on it, and so, and they're not steel toe, so. Like I said, overall, it's a good looking boot. Shoelaces, like I said, could be shorter. There's not much negativity about this. And the shoe is what it is. But they need to change the design a little bit. I know it's about saving money on stuff anymore, but for over $100 shoes, this is not. I don't like it. I mean, some people like to wear shorts. Well, that looks like the shoe's falling apart to me, so they need to improve on that and just wrap the black leather right on around this and stitch it. So that's my opinion. So have a good one, guys.